Oh, right, you guys. And yes, I found the brand new green snakebite that just came out only for 2026, guys. Snakebite. This is a really nice one. Here it is, the back. This is case A, no, case B for the year. So I'm going to get Mood Crusher. The face is changed on it. Rageosaur, brand new color. That one's Snakebite, Hot Wheels Fire Department. And then Hot Wheels Police Rescue. Dual Engine Destroyer, which I saw today. Hope I can get it soon. Just two re-releases, which is Demo Derby and Bone Tricker, which I own. I don't need those anymore. Snakebite, name Snakebite, Truck Type Pickup, Strength, Venomous, Velocity, Crash Attack, Quick Strike. Oh, it just fell. So without further ado, let's go and open this. New for 2026, guys. I think I'm the first unboxing sometime of this one. I think I'm the first unboxing. I'm not sure. I might be the first to show it in hand review. You know, guys. Like, you know, they should really change those stupid crush cards out, which I do not like those. Ooh, no, this is the cool part, guys. Look at this. The emerald jade green, which is nice. Look at this. Snakebite Firestone. That is so cool. The arrow right there. The skin. Green metal flake. White rims and B-locks. Black roll cage. Chrome chassis. Snakebite. And then this says the name. Bigfoot Racing Team. Bigfoot. Yeah. Racing Team. Yeah. There it is. Bigfoot Racing Team. Snakebite. I love how the snake is on the S. So yeah, guys, go get this case set. I got this at my local neighborhood market, also by my house. That's what's cool. I have those two stores to find new trucks. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. That's all I bought today. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.